Motorsports are really valuable, as well as the thousands of jobs. It also brings in $17.5 billion in economic revenue.
But when we look at the sport, there's a drive in terms of transparency. So the fans, the industry, society as a whole wants to make sure that we're doing the best.
Our environmental ambition is to be the most environmentally and socially accountable Formula One team within the motorsports industry. We wanted to act with integrity and improve our sustainability credentials.
BSI plays an important role in terms of driving change, but it isn't just about us, it's about how our clients take the work we do, our standards, our audits, and apply them. Aston Martin Formula One is a really good example in terms of the certification they've achieved, showing ambition, driving change, showing leadership in the space.
Aston Martin Formula One team is a very competitive business, and we wanted to join forces with an organisation that shared the same values as us so that we could go on our sustainability journey together.
We wanted to improve our sustainability credentials, and ISO 14001 really lays the foundations to implement an environmental management system and upskill the workforce.
BSI provide a whole range of different training for us, whether it's senior management briefings or auditing competency, covering management systems for health and safety, energy and environmental.
We decided to opt for ISO 14001. It was a very quick and easy way to upskill our employees through environmental awareness training. It helps embed environmental KPI monitoring within the business, and we also wanted to align ourselves with the FIA's 3-star environmental accreditation. The assessment process was very smooth and efficient, however it was also very rigorous at times. I was very impressed by our assessor's technical knowledge. She was on hand to help us with any questions we had, and it ultimately ended up with us achieving our certification.
Sustainability never stands still. This journey of change that Aston Martin Formula One are on, it's about making sure that we're developing new practice. We're helping them in terms of that transparency.
We've had some direct achievements such as reducing our waste, increasing our recycling rate, and being more energy efficient. This is the first new F1 factory to have been built in over 25 years, and it's also the most sustainable F1 factory. We have a huge solar roof spanning 4,900 square meters. This is really important as it helps to power our building. It also allows us to reduce our Scope 1 and 2 greenhouse gas emissions and ensure that our energy is being supplied from renewable sources. ISO 50001 offers organisations a framework to improve and enhance energy performance. The key benefits for achieving ISO 50001 include improved energy efficiency, improved financial performance, and a competitive advantage for our stakeholders.
Aston Martin are a really good example of being the most inclusive Formula One team on the grid. And so Aston Martin are inspiring people.
We're really optimistic and positive about the changes that we're making. We want our fans and our employees to realise that the small steps we've made so far will really pay dividends in the long term to give us a sustainable future. At the heart of it, it's about bringing joy and excitement to our millions of motorsport fans.
I feel really optimistic about our future. I'm continually encouraged by the people who work here, by our suppliers, by our partners, and by the wider motorsports industry.
There's so much going on in terms of reduction of emissions and thinking about the materials that are being used, the education of people, actually the collaboration. Aston Martin is driving that change. Everything is about making sure this experience goes on into the future. It's about making sure that we drive progress in a way that actually keeps that fan experience alive, but actually making it more sustainable for future generations.